Gary Libator in for Katrina this morning, and happy Boilermaker weekend here in central New York. A big day with the Kids Run and the Boilermaker Walk back after several years. So let's get things started with meteorologist Eric Gage joining us now with all of our important Boilermaker Saturday forecasts as well as Sunday. Eric.
Yes, and thankfully the weather has cooperated. Since last week we were tracking beautiful conditions and it has still stood. We are tracking sunny skies, temperatures in the 70s throughout the weekend with low humidity. Absolutely gorgeous top 10 weekend ahead of us today. Here's a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. But first we start out at our Cavity Tower camera seeing sunny skies across the area right now. We're going to be tracking a lot more breezy conditions as we head into the next couple of days, primarily heading into Monday. We are tracking sunny skies throughout the weekend as well. We're also looking at much more humid conditions as we head into Monday. Here's a look at Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler right now. Current temperature is 74 degrees across our area. We're cooling down into the 60s, or to start out in the 60s, 50s, and even 40s possibly tonight on the cooler side due to the humidity level. We are in the refreshing category of humidity right now. Now, weather headlines, top 10 day today, top 10 day tomorrow as well. And the heat humidity, as I said before, once again returns on Monday. We're tracking stronger storms possible on Tuesday. Today, highs in the 70s. Beautiful today. Tracking your full weekend forecast, Boilermaker forecast as well coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Eric, thanks. With Boilermaker 45 now less than 24 hours away, here's a look at who's
most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good morning and welcome back. We are tracking an absolutely gorgeous day today. Temperatures rising into the 70s. It's a bit cool to start out, but decreasing clouds will make way for sunny skies and even very low humidity. Very unusual for this time of year, especially how low the humidity is going to be getting as we head into tonight and early tomorrow morning. Here's a live look at our Cavity Tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. And as you can see, just gorgeous conditions across Mohawk Valley right now as you take a look across the state as well. On New York State Mezzanine, as you can see, blue skies across the board from Camden to Woodgate to Herkimer to Lawrence to Brookfield. As you can see, just blue skies. You're looking ahead towards a easily top 10 weekend ahead of us this weekend. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Things are looking very dry in our area right now. Looking ahead towards the next couple of days. Around the clock today, we're starting out temperatures in the 60s, warming up into the 70s and mid 70s for the highs. The breeze, a bit on the noticeable side, but not too severe. Wind speeds between 5 to 10 mile per hour sustained, but overall, beautiful conditions across the board. And as you can see earlier on this morning, decreasing clouds, high pressure is moving in from the west, bringing us sunny skies across the board for today as well as tomorrow, with low humidity as well as just once again sunny skies, beautiful conditions. Looking at the bigger picture, high pressure, a very strong one is out towards the northern part of Michigan right now. What this is doing is bringing Canadian air, very dry and cool weather from the north into our area. And what this will be doing is bringing much dry conditions as well, but also with the sunny skies, it won't be cool. It'll be warming up into the 60s. So beautiful conditions as we head into the next couple of days. Once again, temperatures rising into the 70s. So starting out today, we're warming up into the 60s in the early morning hours. If you're looking ahead to go to the Kids Run as well, or the walk as well as heading into the noon hours as well. We're starting out to warm up into the 70s, beautiful conditions with a light breeze. We're going to cool down to the 60s and 50s overnight. And as you can see, the low 40s possible in higher elevations, even the possibility of reaching the upper 30s as we head to the much higher elevations in the Adirondacks as well because of the low humidity. Dew points are possibly going to reach the 40s overnight. So a very unusual dew point for this time of year. We warm back into the 60s. The start of the Boilermaker in the 50s and 60s. We're remaining in the mid-60s throughout the Boilermaker race with sunny skies. You're not fighting a breeze as well. Beautiful conditions with a light breeze as well. We warm up into the 60s and 70s. The mid to upper 70s throughout the afternoon and evening hours as we head into Sunday night. We cool down to the 60s, a bit on the more mild side because humidity starts to rise as we head into Monday. Monday afternoon, warming up into the 80s with increasing humidity, passing clouds, looking ahead towards increasing cloud cover as we head into early Tuesday morning. Now, looking ahead, we are tracking the possibility of some stronger storms as we head into Tuesday. But overall, the weekend is looking nice, it's looking dry, and it's looking sunny. Today, highs in the 70s with decreasing clouds, a bit on the light breeze side. We're cooling down to the 50s and 40s across the area tonight. Tomorrow, beautiful again, high of 76. Looking ahead towards a light breeze across the area. Our 7-day forecast, the Boilermaker, possibly one of the best days of the Boilermaker we've ever seen, with temperatures in the 70s with beautiful conditions, sunny skies. And once again, that light breeze. We're tracking increasing humidity as we head into Monday. Once again, those storms look to begin to arrive our area as we head into Tuesday. And our trivia question, how hot was the hottest Boilermaker on record?
I'll go with 88.
88, and it was even hotter with 92. So, I mean, about a week ago, once we were tracking this from a week ago, we saw the sunny skies, and like, if this holds, looking ahead towards a beautiful Boilermaker weekend, and we are looking ahead towards beautiful skies, temperatures in the 70s with low humidity. So perfect weather for running.
Yeah, that's for sure. Eric, thanks. Coming up, Japan is in
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good morning and welcome back. We're tracking absolutely gorgeous conditions across the week. This weekend, temperatures rising into the 70s with beautiful conditions, low humidity, as well as sunny skies across the board. Plan to go out and enjoy the walk today, the Boilermaker Walk. Here's the current conditions, what to expect for right now. So looking at sunny skies, temperatures in the 70s with comfortable conditions, a low humidity, as well as a light breeze. A bit more breezy today compared to tomorrow, but still a beautiful day today to enjoy time outside, especially going for the Boilermaker Walk. Here's a live look at a Cooper Sun camera. I see some fair weather clouds, but overall mostly sunny skies across central New York. Is a live look at a Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, and things are looking very dry across your area this time of day. And looking ahead towards tomorrow too, beautiful conditions look to extend as we head across the weekend. Temperatures this morning, 65 degrees in Mohawk, 62 in New Hartford, 53 degrees earlier on this morning in Verona Beach. Across Southern Valley, temperatures in the 60s as well, warming up into the 70s, 64 degrees in Harwick, 62 degrees in Edmondson. Around the clock, we're starting out in the 60s, warming up into the 70s, remaining in the 70s with low humidity as well as a light breeze. As you can see, wind speeds between 5 to 10 miles per hour on the breezy side, but still not a very sustained wind across the board. But overall weather grades for today, as you can see, increasing clouds in the early morning hours led to more sunny skies as we head into afternoon and evening temperatures, once again remaining in the 70s. Beautiful conditions today, looking ahead towards a top 10 day today, as well as even a top 10 day tomorrow. And the reason why is because we have a high pressure up towards Michigan. What this is doing, this is dragging a lot of cooler and much more dry conditions from Canada, and dragging that air down over central New York is actually the perfect angle for this weather to move in our area. We're tracking dry and sunny conditions to keep our area clear of any mostly cloudy skies, as well as any rain showers, at least until Monday and Tuesday. Looking ahead at our skycast, we're warming up today into the 60s and 70s. Beautiful conditions starting out in the 60s once again, warming up in the 70s with beautiful conditions, temperatures in the 70s with sunny skies across the board. We're cooling down to the 60s, 50s, and eventually 40s. As you can see in some areas, higher elevations, possibly reaching the upper 30s. It's because of the very low dew points we're expecting tonight. Still a very chilly start to this morning, the next morning tomorrow. Warming back up into the 50s for the start of the Boilermaker tomorrow, rising into the 60s and eventually 70s. Looking to enjoy the after party at the Boilermaker. Overall, beautiful conditions tomorrow. It's top 10 day again. Humidity looks to rise in the evening hours tomorrow evening. And as we head into Monday morning, once again, we're cooling down to the 50s overall, but not as cool as the past next couple of nights, but still warming back up in the 60s, 70s, and eventually the 80s with increasing cloud cover, much more noticeable humidity, as well as a bit of a breezy conditions across most areas. Looking at increasing cloud cover as we head into early Tuesday morning, our next chance of stronger storms are possible as we head into Tuesday. Today, it will be absolutely gorgeous. Highs in 70s, decreasing cloud cover. Wind speeds on the breezy side. Tonight, we cool down to the 50s and possibly 40s and 30s in higher elevations. Still a chilly night tonight with mostly clear conditions. Tomorrow, temperatures rising in the 70s, beautiful conditions as well. Wind speeds on the less breezy side, but sunny skies across the board. Perfect conditions for our Boilermaker, our 7-day forecast. As you can see this weekend, easily a top 10 weekend, possibly one of the best weekends we're tracking for this summer as well. Looking ahead towards much more humid conditions. We head into Monday and Tuesday with thunderstorms possible on Wednesday. And as you can see, warming back up into the 80s with Tuesday and Wednesday highs in the low 80s. Now, weekend trivia question. How many people ran in the first ever Boilermaker? I want to take a guess.
Yeah, I'll go with 1,500.
1,500. It was even lower than that. It wouldn't even reach 1,000. It was 876.
Wow.
The number was. So first ever Boilermaker. I don't remember the exact date, but still, it was a very low count. So even though this year's numbers are on the low side, still not as low as that.
Yeah, we have come a long way,
Yes.
that's for sure. Eric, thanks. Well, child care costs are booming and young babysitters are cashing in and getting new perks as desperate parents.
Tonight, here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good evening. And as you saw just a second ago, weather has cooperated. Absolutely gorgeous conditions today. Temperatures in the 70s with low humidity. Those conditions look to continue throughout the weekend, looking ahead towards a top 10, not day, but weekend ahead of us. If you're looking out to get some ice cream today, Perfect forecast for that. Just a little bit of melting temperatures in the 70s with sunny skies across the board. Just a perfect evening this evening to spend time outdoors with friends and family. Live look at Yorkville Battery, Storm Tracker 2, Doppler radar. Things are looking quiet in our area right now. Current temperature is 76 degrees, very comfortable in the Utica-Rome region. But take a look at the dew point right now in the 40s. This is very unusual for this time of year, especially in July. So make sure you go out and enjoy the absolutely gorgeous conditions with very low humidity, feeling very comfortable outside. Looking ahead to our humidity level, we are below refreshing and very comfortable conditions across the area right now. Weather headlines, the top 10 day continues. Be sure to go out and enjoy the evening this evening. It continues again tomorrow. Looking ahead towards the race forecast, what to expect for that. We're tracking heat humidity returning as we head into Monday, but this evening, absolutely gorgeous temperatures in the 70s. We're tracking what to expect for the Boilermaker race tomorrow morning coming up. Back over to you, Sire.
Thank you, Eric. The countdown begins. We are
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good evening, welcome back. Hopefully everyone has enjoyed this absolutely amazing evening across central New York. We're cooling down to the 60s and 50s, possibly 40s and higher elevations tonight with low humidity. We're looking ahead towards another beautiful day tomorrow. Here's a live look at our Cooperstown camera. As you can see, blue skies, low humidity, sunshine, just an absolutely gorgeous day across central New York. And those conditions continue as we head into the rest of the weekend. A live look at our Yorkville Battery, Storm Tracker 2, Doppler radar. As you can see across the area, looking dry, no rain in sight. We're not tracking our next chance of significant rainfall until we head into Tuesday afternoon and evening. Temperatures this evening, 69 degrees in West Leiden, 74 degrees in Barneveld, 75 in Mohawk, 76 degrees reported in Clinton and across the valleys. Temperatures in the 70s as well, 70 degrees in Evanston, 71 in Milford, 75 in Eaton with 76 degrees in Whitesboro. If you're looking to participate in the Boilermaker tomorrow, here's what the forecast is looking for the start of the race. Let's see, 57 degrees with sunny skies, winds light on the chilly side. If you're looking to bring a jacket, you don't need it as you head into the later on, looking out toward the evening part of the rest of the race, I should say. With temperatures starting out in the 60s, warming up into the 70s. We head into the early afternoon and late morning. Temperatures in the 70s, sunny skies, a little bit of a light breeze as well. Beautiful conditions to run tomorrow with, as you see, that low humidity, dew points in the 40s. It is very unusual for this time of year, but still absolutely gorgeous conditions across the state today. Radar and satellite, the reason why we're seeing such this unusual weather is because we have a high pressure system up towards the southern part of Michigan right now. What this is doing is bringing a lot of Canadian dry air over our state right now, bringing dry and sunny conditions across our state. Now looking ahead, these conditions look to bring cooler temperatures tonight with warmer temperatures tomorrow. Starting out tonight, as you can see, we're going to cool down to the 60s and 50s, possibly 40s in the North Country as well. That low humidity will bring those temperatures way far down. Warm back up tomorrow into the 50s. The start of the Boilermaker, once again, you can see 55 degrees in the Utica-Rome region. Warming up to the 60s for the early morning hours, heading into the afternoon, temperatures rising into the 70s with passing clouds. Overall, a beautiful sunny day tomorrow with low humidity. Looking ahead towards Sunday night and Monday, looking ahead towards later on Sunday night as well. As you can see, those temperatures are not as cool because the humidity will be rising as we head into Monday afternoon as well. Temperatures rising into the 70s and possibly 80s. Few passing clouds overall, but one thing that's more noticeable is the humidity. We're tracking increasing cloud cover as we head into early Tuesday morning. Looking ahead to get some yard work done. Today was perfect as well. Tomorrow, an A+ day for low humidity as well. Sunshine across the board. You can get the lawn cut tomorrow, Monday, or Monday as well, but higher humidity. But we're tracking rain showers and storms possible on Tuesday. So looking ahead, next couple of days, perfect for getting some yard work done across the area. MoCast is sponsored by Clinton Tractor. Now looking ahead, this is a strong storms possible on Tuesday. This is a first look at this. Now, we'll give you more information throughout the weekend, but we are tracking the possibility of severe thunderstorms in some parts of our area as we head into Tuesday. And as you heard before, more information coming up later on this weekend. Tonight, lows in the 50s, mostly clear skies. Tomorrow, absolutely gorgeous. Temperatures in the 70s with beautiful skies across the board. Our 7-day forecast. Boilermaker tomorrow, looking beautiful. Higher humidity on Monday, tracking rain showers and storms possible on Tuesday. Highs in the 80s. Looking to remain in the upper 70s to low 80s throughout the rest of the week with high levels of humidity. Looking ahead towards the 80s with sunny skies as we head into Saturday. Over to you, Tal.
Coming up next, the Utica Blue.
Williams, thank you for joining us. Tomorrow is the big day, Boilermaker Road Race 2022. Let's get you over to meteorologist Eric Gage with a first look at your forecast. Good evening, Eric.
Good evening, Sayra. And the good news is we're tracking beautiful conditions tomorrow for running. If you are a fan of beautiful weather, temperatures in the 70s starting out in the afternoon hours, but early on, it's going to be on the chilly side, especially overnight tonight. Here's a live look at Yorkville Battery, Storm Tracker 2, Doppler radar. Looking at our Boilermaker forecast, we zoom into the road race right now. Starting out in the start time, 57 degrees with sunny skies. On the cool side, might want to bring a jacket. However, it will warm up quickly with light winds. We head to the end of the finish line. Temperatures rising to the 60s and 70s. The afternoon is looking very gorgeous with sunny skies across the board with low humidity as well. That low humidity will make running very beautiful conditions as we head into tomorrow. Right now, it is already 56 degrees in the Yucca Run region. Check out 44 degrees at Saranac Lake right now. Dew point is already in the 40s, so a very cool night is ahead of us tonight. But the headlines will be chilly tonight, top 10 day tomorrow as well, gorgeous as well, and heat humidity returns as we head into Monday tonight, though. Once again, lows in the 40s. Your full forecast coming up, including the possibility of a few stronger storms on Tuesday coming up. Back to you, Saira.
Thank you, Eric. Boilermaker Weekend
New
continues.
York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good evening and welcome back. Our top 10 weekend continues. Heading into tonight, we're going to be on the cool side, cooling down into the 50s and 40s. However, this is short-lived. Heading to tomorrow morning, we're rising into the 50s, 60s, and 70s again. Low humidity, a beautiful day tomorrow. Here's a live look at our Cavity Tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. And as you can see right now, just clear conditions across the board. Take a look at our Yorkville Battery, Storm Tracker 2, Doppler radar. Things are looking dry across the region right now. Take a look at low temperatures tonight. It will be on the chilly side, especially in higher elevations. It won't be surprising if we hit the 30s, especially in peaks such as Eagle Bay as well, reaching 39 degrees. As you can see, higher elevations in the lower 40s, in the lower 50s and upper 40s across some areas across the North Country as well. 48 degrees in Ohio, 49 degrees in Gray. Across the Mohawk Valley, temperatures in the 40s as well. 45 degrees in Frankfort, 48 in Utica with 48 degrees in Whitesboro as well. On the cool side, even the Southern Valley as well, temperatures in the low to mid 40s. And we'll be on the cool side, warming up back up into the 50s, 60s, and 70s tomorrow. Let's take a look around the clock once again. As you can see, in the early morning hours, if you're going to the Boilermaker race too, if you're not doing that as well, still in the early morning hours, you're tracking cool temperatures. You might want to bring a jacket. However, heading into the early morning and late afternoon, as you can see, we're going to warm up into the 60s and eventually 70s. A beautiful day tomorrow, but the humidity will be on the low side. Absolutely gorgeous temperatures tomorrow. Wind speed on the less breezy side compared to today. Wind speeds between 0 and 5 miles per hour. High pressure moving right over our area. But overall weather grades, as you can see, sunny skies across the board. We're tracking beautiful conditions for a top 10 weekend continuing into tomorrow. Take a look at our radar and satellite. This is caused still by high pressure slowly moving into our area. It is over Michigan right now, but as it heads overnight into early tomorrow, this will be moving up over central New York. And what this will do is it will bring down winds as well as bringing humidity down to the 40s. Dew points today were also in the 40s as well, which is very unusual for this time of year. But we're tracking dry conditions, absolutely gorgeous conditions for running tomorrow. And looking ahead, tonight, we're cooling down to the 50s and 40s, clear skies across the board, even 30s possible in some higher elevations. You warm back up into the 50s. Then in the morning hours for the start of the Boilermaker, we warm back up into the 60s again. Clear skies continuing. We head into the 70s for the afternoon hours. Beautiful conditions, a few passing clouds overall. Looking ahead towards cooling down to the 60s and 50s overnight. We're not looking to be on the much more cooler side for Monday morning because of increased humidity. We're tracking much more higher humidity heading into Monday as well as Tuesday with increasing cloud cover, primarily later on in the day and early on for Tuesday morning, as they're tracking the possibility of some stronger storms if we head into Tuesday. And here's our early outlook right now. Now, currently there is a 15% chance of stronger storms right now across the area. We'll bring you more updated information, especially tomorrow as we get more model runs, especially these are the more longer range models. We have much more higher resolution as we head into tomorrow. Tonight, lows in the 40s, 50s in some areas as well. Mostly clear skies. Tomorrow, absolutely gorgeous. Another top 10 day. Highs in the 70s, beautiful conditions with a light breeze. Our 7-day forecast. Looking ahead, the humidity returns on Monday. Highs in the 80s. Tracking scattered showers and storms possible. Strong on the stronger side as well for Tuesday. Lowering into the 70s for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Drier conditions as we head into the weekend on Saturday. Highs in the low 80s. Talha?
Coming up